A closed figure with three sides and three angles is called a triangle. Figure with four sides and four angles is called a quadrilateral. Five sides and five angles make a pentagon. Figure with six sides and six angles is a hexagon. Seven sides and seven angles make a heptagon. A closed figure with eight sides and eight angles is called an octagon. In general, closed figures with three or more sides are called polygons. In a triangle, you have three angles, and you know that the sum of those three angles is 180 degrees. A quadrilateral has got four angles. By drawing a diagonal, you can divide it into two triangles, and therefore the sum of the four angles of the quadrilateral will be the sum of the angles of two triangles, and that will be 2 into 180 equal to 360 degrees. A pentagon with five angles can be divided into three triangles by drawing diagonals like this, and therefore the sum of the five angles of the pentagon will be 3 times 180, that is 540 degrees. A hexagon having 6 angles can be divided into 4 triangles, and therefore the sum of the angles of a hexagon will be 4 into 180, 720 degrees. A heptagon with 7 sides and 7 angles can be divided into 5 triangles, and therefore the sum of the angles of a heptagon will be 5 into 180, that is 900 degrees. An octagon with 8 angles can be divided into 6 triangles, and therefore the sum of 8 angles of this polygon is 6 into 180, that is 1080 degrees. Now let's complete this table. In the table you have different polygons divided into triangles. First one, a triangle. There you have number of sides 3, and the sum of the angles is 180. That you can write as 1 into 180. The second figure is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, and it is divided into 2 triangles, and therefore the sum of the angles is 2 into 180. A pentagon having 5 sides divided into 3 triangles, and therefore sum of the angles 3 into 180. A hexagon having 6 sides divided into 4 triangles, and therefore the sum of the angles is 4 into 180. The next figure is a heptagon having 7 sides. It is divided into 5 triangles, and therefore the sum of the angles is 5 into 180. An octagon has got 8 sides, and it is divided into 6 triangles, and therefore the sum of the angles is 6 into 180. Here you can find a relation between the number of sides and the number of triangles. In the first figure, number of sides is 3 and number of triangles 1. In the second, number of sides 4, number of triangles 2. Next, 5 and 3. 6 and 4, 7 and 5, 8 and 6. So what is the relation? Number of triangles is equal to number of sides minus 2. Now in general, if you take the number of sides as n, then number of triangles will be n minus 2. And therefore we can write the sum of the angles of a polygon with n sides is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. That means to find the sum of the angles of a polygon, you have to subtract 2 from the number of sides and multiply that number with 180. Here you can see the sum of the angles is of the form 1 into 180, 2 into 180, 3 into 180, 4 into 180 and so on. That is a counting number multiplied by 180. Such products are called multiples of 180. And here the sum of the angles of a polygon is a multiple of 180. That means you can divide the sum of the angles of a polygon by 180 completely. Calculate the sum of the angles of a polygon with 12 sides. Here the number of sides is 12 and you have sum of the angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of sides. Here you have the number of sides 12. Substituting, we have 12 minus 2 into 180, that is equal to 10 into 180, and the product is 1800 degrees. The sum of the angles of a polygon is 3600. How many sides does it have? Here you are given the sum of the angles of a polygon and it is 3600, and you have to find the number of sides of that polygon. That means you can write n minus 2 into 180 is equal to 3600, where n is the number of sides, and therefore n minus 2 is equal to 3600 divided by 180, and on dividing you get 20. That is n minus 2 equal to 20. Therefore n is equal to 20 plus 2, that is 22. Therefore the number of sides of this polygon is 22.